Oh, wow! Where are we, Peppa? We are in the colorful alphabet city, George. Let's look. How many letters are there? What fun! This city is so amazing, Peppa. How many colorful, bright letters! Hey, watch out! Oh, who are you? I am the alligator. I'll have the letter A. Look here. I am the letter A. It's so much fun, Peppa. We found the first letter, the letter A. A is for alligator. Oh, wow, Peppa, look. What's happened on the road? I see the sand. Phew! Phew! What's that? There's the letter. We found the letter. I found the letter, Peppa. Here's the letter B. Don't do that. That's my letter B. That's my sand. Look, Peppa, there's a bear. B is for bear. B is for bear. Who are you? I am a mother chicken. I've got many eggs, Peppa. Do you like eggs? Oh, yes. I like eggs very much. But you've got not only eggs. You've got the letter here. You've got the letter C. Letter C is for chicken. C is for chicken. Chicken. Woof, woof. Did you see what I saw? What's that? Do you see something here? Oh, I found something. I see. Here's the letter. We found the letter D. D is for dog. D is for dog. Woof, woof. D. Hey, George, quickly, let's look what I found. What's that, Peppa? You find a fridge. Oh, wow, I see the letter here. Do you? What letter is this, George? Let's see. Here's the letter E. We found the letter E. Let's open and see what's inside, George. Oh, wow! How many sweets and how many fruits are there! But what's that? I see something else, George. What? What's that? What's that, Peppa? What do you find? I found the letter, George. Where, Peppa? Where? Here it is in the fridge. Oh, where? I see it, Peppa. Yes, there is the letter. We found the next letter, Peppa. There's the letter. Let's see. Here's the letter. The letter F. Wow! E is for elephant. How bright elephant! F is for fish. Splish, splash, fish. Oh, wow! What are you doing, friends? We are playing with balls. Do you want to play with us? Oh, yes, I want to play with you. How bright, colorful balls you've got. I want to play with this one. Okay, let's play with this ball, George. How soft this ball is. How cute and nice. But what's that? I found the letter. You got the letter, guys. There's the letter G. G is hiding behind the balls. We play not only with the letter G, George. Here, C. What's that? Do you know, George? Yes, there's the next letter. Here's the letter H. Thank you, horse. H is for horse. Bravo, George. That's right. G is for goat. H is for horse. Oh no! What's happened, Peppa? Look, George, the jaguar is ill. Let's call the doctor. Quicker! Yes, I'll call the doctor. The ambulance is here. Come here, doctor. Oh, who's that? That's the letter I. Letter I. You are a doctor? Yes, I'm a doctor. Help our jaguar. I'll try to help him. We need to ride to the hospital, Jaguar. Come here, inside our ambulance. Oh, who's there? There's the letter G. The letter J is helping you, the Jaguar. Jump inside the Jaguar. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help, Peppa. You're welcome, Jaguar. Bye-bye. I, J is for Jaguar. I am hungry, Peppa. Do you? Let's go to the kitchen and find some food. Okay, George, let's go. Look, George, what a tasty plate. Oh, I am so hungry. What's that? That's a hamburger. I'm eat it. Do you want, Peppa? Oh no, I don't like hamburger. I see here an apple. I like apples. I want to eat that one, that red apple. And I like this orange. I'll try this one. How yummy! Peppa, look here. I found 2 letters. What? Oh, great, George! We found 2 letters. Here's the letter K and the letter L. K is for koala. L is for ladybug. L. Hello, Mr. Monkey. Hello. How, Peppa? Do you know him? Yes, there's the Mr. Monkey. Look, he's got the letter M, George. Letter M? Oh, great, Peppa. We found the letter M. M is for monkey. M. We need to catch the bus, George. Let's wait it on the bus stop over here. Let's sit it. Great. Oh, Peppa, look, what's that? What a machine. But I see something. Here's inside. What, George? I see the letter. There's the letter. The letter N. Great, George. We found the next letter. N. Oh, Peppa, I see something. Maybe it's a bus. Let's see, what's that? Oh no, it's not a bus. There's only a car. But what's that? There's an octopus. Octopus with the letter O. Great job, George. You found the letter O. Yes, Peppa. O is for octopus. O. Beep, beep. Oh, sorry. Here comes our bus, Peppa. Let's go, George. Oh, wait for me. Stop, Peppa. Oh, who are you? I am a parrot. Oh, wow. Nice to meet you, parrot. I am nice to meet you too. Look, P is for parrot. And P is for Peppa. P. Attention, attention. Here comes the airplane. Woo! Who's that inside, George? Do you know? Let's see. Oh, wow. Here's the letter Q. Hello, letter Q. Hello, kids. Oh, wow, Peppa, look. Here's the bags. Phew! Oh no, George. There's not bags. There's the letter R. Letter R here in the airport. Let's go to the puzzle letter R. Let's go with us. Q. R is for rabbit. With what are you playing, snail? Bounce, bounce. What's that? Oh, I see. Here's the letter. Bounce, bounce. Yes, here's the letter. The letter S. Look, I found the letter S. S is for snail. Look at me, Peppa. I'm a tractor driver. Oh, George, you'll find the letter. You'll find the next letter. Here's the letter T, George. You found the letter T. Super! S is for snail. Snail. T is for tiger. Hello, friends. Oh, wow. What's that? It's time for dinner, George. No, Peppa. I see something. Something under this bell. Let's look. Look, we found the letter, Peppa. Here's the next letter. Look, there's the letter U. I found the letter U, Peppa. Yes, George, you are so smart. U is for unicorn. Look at my yummy ice creams, Peppa. What do you think? Where's the letter? Where can it be? Oh, I don't know, George. Where is it hiding? Maybe in the pink ice cream? Let's open and see. Okay, George. I open it. Oh, wow. I found the donut. How yummy, donut. Thank you, George. But you don't find the letter, Peppa. Okay, I'll find it here in the red ice cream. Let's open. Oh, wow. Let's see. What a bright green letter I found. Thank you, George. Yes, Peppa, you found the letter V. Let's put it into our puzzle, George. Letter V. V is for vulture. V. It's time to prepare some food, George. Peppa, we with my friend Worm found eggs. Let's look. Here it is. What a colorful eggs we found. Okay, George, let's open and cook it. What a colorful eggs. I see blue egg. This is for me, George. The blue egg is for me. Here is the orange one. Here is the yellow one. This is for you, George. How? What's that? George, do you see it? Yes, Peppa. We found the next letter. Yes, George. There is the letter W. Do you know the letter W, George? Yes, Peppa. W is for worm. Look, we missed another letter. I see some letter in the sink. Here's the letter X. Letter X, we found you. How blue the letter X is. Oh, maybe I found one more letter here. Do you see the letter, kids? Where is it? Yes, here it is, in the pen. George, I found one more letter. Look, George, here's the letter Y. W is for worm. X is for the X-ray fish. And Y is for yak. Wow, Peppa, we find almost all letters. But we need to find the last letter. Do you know where can it be, Peppa? I know. My friend Zebra knows where can it be. Where's the letter Z? Let's go to my friend Zebra. Let's go, George. Hello, Zebra. Hello, my friend. We'll find the last letter. We need the letter Z. Did you know where can it be? How? I know it, friends. Here it is, in my box. Here's the letter Z. Great, George, we found the last letter. The letter Z. Let's look. Here it is, letter Z. Z is for zebra. Super, George, we found all letters from A to Z. Yes, Peppa, and we found so many animals and find many friends today. Super, Peppa. Thank you for your watching, guys. Bye-bye. Bye.